Ladies and gentlemen, I lied. This is the season or series finale. I didn't see a need to give one 8-line file its own episode. So we're gonna cover this at the very beginning and then get into series finale things that I have hyped up a little bit over the past few episodes. So pretty much this is just basic JavaScript. Really, that's it. If you don't understand JavaScript, then come join the Discord server, go to bot commands, and do !JS-resources. Give you everything you need, and that text will be displayed on screen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the Introduction to Web Development series. Now, what does this mean for me? Well, I'm not going anywhere. I have more episodes planned, I have more things ready, it's gonna be awesome. But at the same time, the series finale, I would like to give you something special, because you all have stuck with me through every episode in the web dev series, and I feel like you all deserve something special for sticking around through all of the chaos. So give me one moment to pull it up. Alright guys, here you go. This is actually a sneak peek at a new series that's coming up hopefully here soon. My next series is gonna come out next week. So you can expect it, as always, on the Mondays. That's my slot. I'll be here every Monday till the end of eternity. Or the end of MenuDocs. So this is the React rewrite for the MenuDocs page. And while we're here, I think that while we are here, it is time that we officially close off the web development series as a past series. And as you can see, there are no videos in the past series, but here's the code. Let's scroll up here to our, there we go, here's our web development div. So let's copy everything, let's chop it out, scroll down here to our past series. Inside of our row here, let's paste this in, save it. If we go back into the web page, reload, our web development series is now a past series. Now, guys, it's been an adventure. This is my first series with MenuDocs, and it has been amazing. The support I've seen on this series has been ridiculous, and I thank every single one of you for giving me the need and the just drive to keep making these episodes for you all. It has been so worth it, and it has been an adventure. So thank you to all of you, every single one of you that's currently subscribed to MenuDocs, for subscribing. Thank you to everyone joining the Discord. Thank you to all the proficients who helped me out here in getting all of the code up and going. Guys, this is it. I get to hit end recording one last time for the web development series. So guys, thank you so much for being around. And the way I end every episode of web development, thank you all, and happy coding.